Have you ever been to a restaurant and eaten a really super simple dish that then you just marveled in its magnificence when it comes to taste, texture, and flavor? It really comes down to the quality of the ingredients being used. The freshest, the ripest, the best quality possible. Just like these little cream of potatoes from the Little Potato Company. So uniform in size, have a wonderful buttery texture, so nourishing and full of great flavor. They can be transformed into a side dish, part of a main dish. And there's so many wonderful varieties that the Little Potato Company have developed that each one is slightly different and unique. And I just love them.